Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products on the market. In today's episode, we have an exciting product to discuss: the ULNA WiFi Bridge Point-to-Point Outdoor Kit. This kit promises to provide a high-speed, long-range wireless bridge solution, making it perfect for extending your network to remote areas. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to its promises. The ULNA WiFi Bridge Kit is designed for outdoor use and comes with a mount kit, making it suitable for various applications. It's pre-configured for easy setup, allowing you to connect it within minutes without the need for complex configurations. This kit includes two ULNA CPE 629 units, which can establish a point-to-point or point-to-multipoint connection. With a 5.8 GHz frequency and 802.11 AC standard, it offers better stability and anti-interference capabilities compared to traditional 2.4 GHz devices. The kit is designed to be user-friendly, with automatic pairing within 2 to 5 minutes after plugging in the PO and selecting a channel. Perfect for those who want a hassle-free setup, especially for security cameras and network expansion. The ULNA CPE 629 offers high-speed data transmission, with 1x1000 megabits per second and 1x100 megabits per second Ethernet ports. This means speeds of up to 1200 megabits per second between the two bridges, with a wired network speed of up to 433 megabits per second. It supports both point-to-point and point-to-multipoint pairing, as well as WDS networking mode. Built to withstand various weather conditions, this kit is waterproof, heat-resistant, and frost-resistant, operating in temperatures from -30°C to 65°C. It boasts an impressive Wi-Fi range of up to 3.1 miles in a barrier-free environment, making it ideal for extending network coverage to remote locations. The adoption of 5.8 GHz IEEE 802.11 AC wireless transmission technology provides better stability and anti-interference capabilities compared to 2.4 GHz devices. The included antenna mount comes with non-slip gears, making it easy to secure the bracket to the pole. Two hoops further ensure a secure fit, even in challenging outdoor conditions. This ULNA WiFi Bridge Kit has a wide range of applications, from extending internet to guest houses, barns, garages, campers, and metal shops. It's perfect for scenarios where running cables is not feasible and where a stable, high-speed network connection is required. User testimonials have confirmed its effectiveness in various scenarios, including connecting remote buildings and expanding surveillance and security camera networks. In summary, the ULNA WiFi Bridge Point-to-Point Outdoor Kit is a versatile and reliable solution for extending your network to remote locations. With its pre-configured setup, high-speed gigabit connectivity, and impressive outdoor performance, it's a product that's worth considering for your networking needs. Don't let the outdoors limit your internet connectivity. Upgrade to ULNA's Wi-Fi Bridge Kit for a fast, stable, and reliable connection. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the ULNA WiFi Bridge Kit, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.